Embracing simplicity, the art of decluttering your life. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos of our daily lives. We're constantly bombarded with information, distractions, and an endless to-do list. The more we accumulate, the more we feel weighed down and overwhelmed. This is where the power of simplicity comes in. Simplifying our lives can help us achieve clarity, reduce stress, and find greater fulfillment. One way to embrace simplicity is through decluttering. Decluttering isn't just about getting rid of physical possessions, it's about creating space in our lives for what truly matters. Here are some tips to help you declutter your life and embrace simplicity. Start with your physical space. Our physical environment has a huge impact on our mental state. Start by decluttering your physical space. Take an inventory of your possessions and identify what you truly need and what you can let go of. Donate, sell, or recycle items that no longer serve a purpose in your life. Simplify your digital life. Our digital lives can be just as cluttered as our physical lives. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails, delete old files, and organize your digital space. This will help you feel more focused and less distracted. Learn to say no. Saying yes to every invitation or opportunity can quickly fill up our schedules and leave us feeling overwhelmed. Learn to say no to things that don't align with your values or goals. This will free up time and energy for the things that truly matter. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and fully engaged in the moment. When we're mindful, we're less likely to get caught up in the chaos of our lives. Take time each day to meditate, practice yoga, or simply sit in silence and reflect. Embrace minimalism. Minimalism is the philosophy of living with less. It's about simplifying our lives to focus on what truly matters. Embrace minimalism by prioritizing experiences over possessions, choosing quality over quantity, and focusing on what brings you joy and fulfillment. Decluttering your life and embracing simplicity isn't a one-time event, it's a lifelong process. By making simplicity a priority, you'll be able to reduce stress, increase focus, and find greater fulfillment in your life. Start small and remember that every little step counts. Thanks for watching. Like, follow and subscribe, share with a friend.